You gotta watch this. Today I had a girlfriend contact me and she asked if I could make some stocking hangers for them. And these would be name tags that go on the stocking, so everyone knows which stocking belongs to them. She really didn't have any exact idea on how she wanted this or what she wanted, so I kind of went hunting. My first stop was at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find the long wooden tags, and I'm going to show you a picture of what she did send me. So I came up with this idea. Now I was going to put a front on this and then be able to attach the name. I was going to drill a hole in here and hang a tag from it. So that still would have worked and it would have been nice. She did want something that was about the size of an index card, give or take. And the Dollar Tree was right down the street from my Michael's. How convenient is that? So anyway, I did go into Michael's, and what I ended up finding were these. She said she has a rustic theme for her holidays. So these came in a package of 5. I want to say they may have been around $10. So I picked those up. She said she did like the buffalo check. So I got both the red and the black and white. I picked up a couple of these. These are just some little iced greenery picks, and these are regularly $1.99. These were also at Michael's. And I had jingle bells here. And the other thing that I grabbed, and we're going to go back to the Dollar Tree here real quick, was the picture she showed me had wooden beads on it. And I thought they were really kind of cute, but I just couldn't find them anywhere. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I happened to see these cute pictures here. And they had the beads as a hanger. So I thought, well, if I can't find what I need, at least the picture itself is really cute and I could do something with that later, but I could get my beads. So I purchased 3 of the pictures in order to have enough beads to put on these stocking hangers. So when I got home, I started tearing everything apart. She wanted the names Mom, Dad, MJ, and Vinny. So we've got 4 of these. So at this point, I have 3 of these made. Now I used my Cricut and cut the vinyl, and I cut it in red and in black. So I did a little bit of an overlay on that, if you can see it. I wanted to keep kind of that rustic theme. Originally I was going to paint these black and maybe do the lettering in white, and I thought I don't want to take away from the whole Birch look of what these are. So I did a spray Mod Podge on here so that my letters would stick. These are pretty smooth. I was really surprised. My camera's shaking. So these are very smooth. So I was very lucky. Everything did stick on there very well. I am going to do a top coat of Mod Podge too, just to make sure everything works out fine. So I have a little bit to do left on one of them, and I'm going to show you what it is that I did. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this hanger because I'm not going to use it. I do have some nice twine right here that is a little thinner than this, which will make it easier for the beads to go through. And let me get these back over here. And I need 1 jingle bell. So I am going to start, first of all, by putting a little bit of hot glue on the end of this so that I can get this to be a little stiff and pointy so that it doesn't fray while I'm trying to put the beads and things through them. So as soon as that's cool enough to be able to touch, I have got that nice and pointy now. So what I'm going to do is stick my twine through here. The first thing on is going to be the jingle bell because I want that up front. Okay. And then we're just going to add 4 of the wooden beads to the front. And then I'm going to cut this twine. Oh, it's a little bit longer than I need. And I'm going to flip this over. So I'm going to throw on 5 beads in the back. And that just happened to work better for me because of the length I wanted for the hanger to hang. So I've got 4 there. I need 1 more. And now I'm going to tie a knot, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space. Just so it's not so hard to get on. Whoops, well that didn't work. There we go, loosen that up a little bit. All right, and I'm gonna double knot that and cut it. All right, so now I'm going to make a bow out of both of these ribbons. Just a simple one here, and I'm just keeping both of these together. Come on. All right, I'm just gonna fix my bow up a little bit here, and I'm gonna make sure it is the same size as the other ones. There we go. I want to pull it tight, and then I'm going to do an angle cut on the ends of each one of these. And all right, I'm gonna fluff up my bow here a little bit, and now I'm going to pull the bell up a little bit, and what I want to do is actually apply my glue right here where the hole is. And now I'm just going to place my bow, and I want to pull my bell back down here. Now it doesn't have to attach to that, but I just want to get it close. I am going to take 2 of the little pieces of the garland, the little sugar garland that I bought, and I want to just glue them right in the middle here. Some more glue. All right, and I'm going to do this again on the other side. Try to get a stick of glue in here. I just want to make sure these are going to stick. And I think I'm going to attach them down here a little bit too, so that they're kind of coming down. And I'm going to do the same thing over on this side, because this apparently doesn't look like it even wants to stay. All right, so let's go ahead and lay him down. So I think these turned out awesome. Clear off the space here, and we have Mom and Dad, Vinny, and MJ. So here they are, each hanging on their stockings. Each of them are hanging on their stockings. And I think they turned out amazing. What do you think? Pretty simple idea. I think they are adorable. I can't wait to send this to my girlfriend. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you soon. Zip tie it, pull your loop up.